What is today? Yeah. Thanksgiving Eve. All right. Listen, let's get right to the action. Okay. Anybody that, uh, first of all, bravo to coach just having, maybe we went a little bit over or I'm a little bit late. And usually it's because I'm trying to rearrange positions. No disrespect or to anybody's time there. Seriously, but coach just finished giving a great interview. As I go into TradeGATEHub for a second and I collect myself, as they say, where are we? TradeGATEHub. I apologize at your expense. All right, here we are. Watch Coach's video and all our videos throughout the week, including this holiday week right now. Please, I implore everyone, Coach, great video, not to be redundant. Okay, to the action. If you didn't watch the past couple of videos, guess jeans. And if you weren't aware that Nvidia, what could very simply, which did break the 50-day, could very simply go down, and the rest of the market can go up. That's exactly what happened. All right, Apple down 50 cents, big deal. Hold on a second, I might want to close some things. What am I? This is the stock I'm locked in. Fuel cell. This is it. I'm locked in fuel cell. I'm locked into this stock right now. Not gonna lie. You know what else is taking calls? No joke. And I bought some. And I did something rare. I broke a rule in the fund. Why did I break a rule in the fund, you asked? Calls was so prevalent, I couldn't hold back. What do you ask? It is what it is. By the way, it's not EMPH, but it has to do with this for the weekly. All right, EMPH, just when no one's looking. You know what? Stocks like Advanced Auto Parts, when no one's looking, rounding up like that. How about HIMS that had HIMS was up $4 at one point, squeezed everybody to death, and that was over. HIMS, by the way, will never see 35 again. Hey, hold on. And then that was it for the near future. Considering it 5 days ago came from 20 to 35, that was it. It wiped everybody out that was short. Very might well bounce, and but for the meantime, the move is over. What else are they freaking messing with? GameStop. All right, still holding in there. I don't know if they're setting up for some Thanksgiving shenanigans. With GameStop on a Friday, or going to the weekend. I don't know, but retail bounced a little bit. Retail did the opposite. Guess I didn't buy this off the low. What a putz! But yet again, Nordstrom's, which was the strongest fact, did the opposite. Completely. You see this? Just like Ford and General Motors, things like that. Guess was the weakest. You know what this is? Obviously, nobody's saying it's valid. Nothing changed. Short squeeze. And right here, Nordstrom's disappointed right back. But look at stocks like Home Depot, still holding in there, flagging. You want to call it Home Depot, something in the economy, whatever you want to do. What else are they buying? These stocks, two sectors, the hottest out there, taking calls. Vitamin, Joby, ASHR, and taking calls for a while. Air taxis. Air taxis. All right. New age. Air taxis. Nuclear. Hydrogen. Bloom Energy. AUR taking calls off the board. Off the board. Dollar Tree in the fund. Just when no one's looking. When no one's looking. Trying around here, say it's undervalued. All of a sudden, you're up $8 in this thing. I'd add to it. Oh my God. All right. The bottom line is this: never short a dull market. You want to do something, probably have better chance of buying something if that's the case. All right. If you want to look at the old technicals or whatever's going on, we should. We're not going to be ignorant. VIX. All right. Maybe it pops. Who knows? Oh, the stock I didn't forget. CRWD, Kramer said buy it. Went the opposite. I'm not an opposite Kramer guy. You should know that. Every China bounced today. These ones, the low flow Chinas. Let's get into it. Hold on. Do I have anybody on board here? Yeah, I do. Plenty on board. Thanks for everybody. Where's freaking Jeff? I need to play tomorrow. Now Jeff disappears. I need to play for what am I gonna do? If I have no holiday football, college football action, I'm gonna have to start charging Jeff. No, it's up to you if you want to pay. Kidding. Never gonna charge. Urban out. Okay, let's go to what I bought. Calls. I broke a rule. And what you ask is the one. It's the right area. There it is. CLNE. Don't. It is what it is. Why you ask? Blooming Energy. It's got the clean energy fuels. Blooming Energy Corporation. Maybe that's the reason, but it's taking calls. CLNE. SCDG all of a sudden. Insider buying, cutting costs. It doesn't look like a lot, but it is freaking 10. It's 30% off the low. I know everybody's buried in it. VIX is at the high. I'm short some things, by the way. API. Low flow China. Let's get into it. LX. Chinese cigarettes, I believe. Oh, fintech, actually. I thought it was cigarettes. Somebody told me it was LX. All right, you scroll out. The longer you scroll, the longer you might have a chance. What else they taking up, Lewis? KC. KC in the Sunshine Band. Yeah, it looked like it went from 3 and it doubled, and it did. Scroll out, maybe have a chance. Who knows if China goes again? API, another one. Then IPO today, API. IPO today, Pony. What a freaking symbol this is. Pony's in play. Look at Pony. Pony. Oh, that's a Pony, the freaking shoemaker. That's cool. Jeff. Telling you we came a long way. I'll sign on later. I know you travel. I think you said you traveled. I know where you're from. I'm not going to say it unless you get, but I'm expecting something later on today, please. Winner or losers, out of respect. Lemonade all of a sudden $7 off the high. Top stake process. This is what I see on the left. Listen, thinner action. I don't want to be redundant. It's a reminder. Always another trade. Anything you have now, let runners go. Trailing stops. I wouldn't be initiating anything sexy, except CLNE. AMBA. These stocks. You might never get these prices again on some of them. AMBA. There's AMBA. Took everybody out. 81.73. NTNX showed it beautifully last night. Fact, I'll even show you. 68. Covered at 70. Opened at 75. I shorted it higher. NTNX. Will that ever go? I mean, that never even made a new high. Into earnings. It's up to you to see if the price act, if it's either if it's a specific situation or if it's a tag along with other roller stocks. This is what you're seeing now. And I'm going to leave it with this. I say that all the time. Walgreens. They're taking a shot at Walgreens. You know what I mean? They don't want to take a shot at NVIDIA down here anymore. I don't see calls going off, as coach would ask me. Microsoft up and down below the 200-day, below, is that support? Will it go back under? Who cares? But right now, I would go into Mega before I would go to anything. Walgreens. They like it. Why not? This could turn into a Dollar Tree. I wouldn't trust a bankrupt Dollar Tree. Look at this thing. ACHR. It's new, like I said. ACHR. Taxis. Taxis are flying across my screen. Stock of the day flying across my screen. To Mick. If he does get this is the one. Little stock flying. You know what I want. Market still has some pulling back to do. Any questions? I'm not sure if there's going to be a power hour today. I think it could possibly do more damage than good. Setting up for Friday, which normally, and hold on, not my opinion. Let's go back up here. I like to give it, you know what? There's a lot of rules on the trading desk. And the predominant one was, don't give an opinion unless you're asked. But I'm here to, I'll step out. Here it is. Normally a bullish day on Friday, today being Wednesday naturally. Seasonality for the rest of the year, bullish this week, bearish next week. Never short a dull market. If the VIX is at the highs, there's some volatility here in a thin market as I look at my other screen here. There's the numbers. You can interpret it whatever you want. Some people think that's bullish, some people think that's bearish. Normally, I remember somehow popping open eggnog to start the season. What am I going to be, 52? I've been trading since about 24. The first 12 to 14 years on the Friday after Thanksgiving was considered all the time. Eggnog. That's it. So we would concentrate on the horrible eggnog. We could afford good ones. That was it. Drank and traded horrible eggnog. Those are the days. Mike V. All right, for those that don't have, we don't get that might watch the replay. I'm not sure if there's a power hour again, but in all honesty, God willing, as a good friend of mine would say, it's a marathon, it's not a sprint. I hope nobody really is under duress or trades under duress because it's very hard to do. I've done it. I hope we made a difference. I give thanks to the team behind me and the opportunity and the confidence of the higher powers of TradeView, both professionally and personally, to facilitate what I love doing best. And not only is that trading, it's trying to at least do my best to make a difference. It sounds cliche, but anybody, any way possible. And I speak for everybody else. All right. So it's been an honor. I'm here. Any way that you feel that we can humbly do better, comments, suggestions, all welcome. Peace.